Okay guys, so the main component of this project is the board. Okay, that's the ESP32C3 FH4 board, okay, from WeAct Studio. So and that's the sensor, okay, my sensor, okay, MQ135, okay. So that's the sensor, and let me put the sensor back, okay, like that. So the sensor, okay, the analog pin of the sensor AD, the data pin AD, okay, AD is attached to GPIO 0, okay, GPIO 0, and of course the VCC is attached to 3.3 volt, the ground to ground, okay, that's the ground, and here with the VCC. Now the clock pin, okay, the clock pin of the LCDI2C, its clock pin is attached to GPIO 9, and the data pin is connected to GPIO 8. So that's the data pin of the LCD display, okay. The data pin is the GPIO 8, okay, 8, and the clock pin is the GPIO 9, okay. Of course you must attach, okay, the VCC of the display to 5 volts, where is 5 volts here, okay, 5 volts, and the ground to ground here with 2 grounds, okay, one for the sensor and the other for the LCD display, okay. You got to use the Blynk app, okay, Blynk app for this project, okay, Blynk app, and yeah, now let me show you how to do this project. We needed to set up the project, okay, on the Blynk IoT Cloud, okay, and after that, so we go to Google, and we set up the project on the Blynk IoT Cloud. Then we take our mobile phone, and we also set up the project, okay, using the Blynk IoT app, okay guys. So let's go to Google, and we type Blynk IoT Cloud. Then we go to Arduino ID to upload the sketch, and then we take our mobile phone and we download this app so that we can set up the project, okay, here using this application. Okay, so we type Blynk IoT Cloud, and we type, you click on the first website, and then we click on start free. So now we go to developer zone. We create a new template. So we give a name to this template. It's going to be smoke sensor. The board is ESP32 that we're gonna be using, ESP32. The connection type is Wi-Fi. That is the description. I can put smoke sensor. Then we click on done. Okay, now what's next? So we got to configure the template, set up data streams, set up the web dashboard, and add a first device. Okay, now we click on data streams, new data stream, virtual pin. Then we give a name to the virtual pin, smoke sensor. Okay, smoke sensor. And the virtual pin, the data pin, okay, of the virtual pin V0 is an integer, sorry. And yeah, I think I don't need to. So the max value of this virtual pin is 4095. So, and the main value is 0. So advanced. So I think everything is good here. I think we're good to go. So we click on create. So we've just created the data stream, a data stream called smoke sensor. Okay, it's good. The data stream is good. So now we go to web dashboard. Okay, and we go to widget box, and we search for the Gauge widget, the one. So we drag it onto the middle of the now we got to configure this widget. So we click on settings, then you give a name to it. It's going to be smoke sensor, and you connect the widget with the data stream that you've just created. You give a color. It's going to be red. Okay, now we're good to go. We click on save. Okay, if everything is perfect, now I think it's okay. Okay, now we need to set up the event and notifications. So template settings, so that's the template settings with here the hardware that we're gonna be using. Now we go to event and we create a new event. Okay, use event to log and trigger notifications. So we give a name to this event. It's going to be smoke detected, and so the type of this event is going to be, let me see, warning. Okay, we are giving a warning, and the description, it's optional. So we've detected smoke in your house. Okay, then you click on event will be sent to user only one per. Okay, so 1 minute, 5 minutes is too much, so I choose event will be sent to user only once per minute. Okay, so show event in notifications section of mobile app. Okay, and send event to timeline. Okay, now we go to notifications and we enable the notifications. Okay, so I'm going to be receiving from my email the notification. So device owner, okay, push notification to device owner, and you can also provide here your contact. Okay, but I think I don't need for this project. I don't need to provide the contact for this project. Maybe in the next one. So then we think we're good to go. So deliver push notifications as alert. Really, I don't need it for this project. Okay, so we need to check if everything is good. So now we go to event is good, the data stream, web dashboard is good, data streams is good. Now we click on save. So now we go to devices and we add a new device. So new device from template, you click on template, then template smoke sensor is the new device, then you click on, yeah. Okay, here with the authentication code, okay, so you need to add, okay, you cap these informations and you add you add to your these information, you put these informations in your code. Okay, so here you take it out, you remove these codes, and you cap the new devices, smoke sensor, device info, and you cap these informations and you paste them here. Okay, so that's the program. Okay, you need to install the liquid crystal library. That's the Blynk authentication token. So the LCD display columns and rows, the object created, the password and the name of my Wi-Fi. Okay, Blynk timer. So the smoke sensor is attached to the GPIO 0. So here the sensor threshold, the data is attached to the analog read function. Okay, the data is the digital number coming from the analog read function. So that's the function send sensor. That is a function from Blynk. Okay, Blynk, voila. So here the virtual pin V0 takes the data coming from the data variable and sends okay the data to cloud, okay, through Blynk visual write function. Okay, so I think the data variable write, okay, the digital number coming from the sensor onto the V0. So if the data, its value is greater than 300, then we detected the smoke. Okay, not guys, but smoke. Else, so no danger, no smoke. So we initiate the LCD display and we turn on the backlight of it. So we start the communication between our laptop and our board. So Blynk begin function with the everything needed. Pin, so smoke sensor is an input, the analog read function, LCD set cursor to this position, cursor to this position, cursor, and I think everything it is here, it is easy to understand. Okay guys, So now you go to tools, board, ESP, and you pick the one. You go back to tools, and port for me is con 19. Okay, now you can upload the sketch. So using this board, you don't need to press the button while uploading the sketch. So it will take a few moments. Okay, so it's uploading the sketch. Okay, great. Okay, now on our mobile phone, we click on Blynk, and our project will automatically appear, smoke sensor. Then we configure the project. So we choose the data stream v0. We search first for the gauge widget. Okay, the one we drag it onto the middle like that. Okay, now we click on that. Okay, we choose the data stream v0. Okay, it's okay. Now we give a color red. Okay, and we give a name. We can increase the font size, and we give a name to this a title. Okay, smoke sensor to the widget gauge. Okay. Okay, so everything is good. I think we've just set up the project using the Blynk app on our mobile phone. Okay, so that's our project smoke sensor. Okay guys, so